Hey guys, today we have '08 Hyundai Accent. Um, the vehicle got towed in for a no start condition. So now we have I'm gonna scan for codes, and we have this code for immobilizer key mismatch. So I thought, because when I was starting this, that we have a problem mechanically from the engine, right? You heard that? There's some hump on it. I don't know if you can hear that. The the compression while cranking was like a little off, like it's not even. So on this one, got an immobilizer key mismatch. I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to clear this and see, and if not, I'm gonna try to program the key, or let's check our data first. So it says there invalid key status, 2 learned keys. So I'm gonna try to program this. I'm gonna get the pin codes, and we'll see from there. So I got my pin codes now. I'm gonna try to program this key. Just when I turn this on to like this, wait for the loading. Okay. When I turn this on, I don't see any immobilizer icon there. So that could be a issue too for no start, but let's see. Ignition off. So as you can see there, our immobilizer icon is on now. So let's try to start this then. So car starts now. I guess this was just an immobilizer or a key issue on this no start vehicle. I thought there's something else, but I was thinking ahead of something. So let me try again. So clearly our immobilizer is there. I'm gonna try again one more before we call it. Okay. So that's it, guys. I thought there's a complicated issue in this car, but obviously there's nothing wrong. It's just immobilizer issue for a no start condition. So don't forget to subscribe and comment anything. Thank you for watching.